Hello children, welcome back to our class. Yes, open the page number 42. Here we have a lesson that is The Lion King. Yes, before entering into that lesson, yes, I want to tell you about this question answers of what is a tree. We did not finish, and this also. See here, I said you to write at least 5 examples of fruits, vegetables, flowers and leafy vegetables. Did you complete it? If you won't complete it, write something, okay? At the end of this lesson, one day I will send every picture of this. Okay? Yes, next you see here. Here we have question answers from what is a tree lesson, right? Yes, now first question. What is the first question? What was Ammu writing in a notebook and why? Yes, in the beginning of the story, Ammu is writing something in her notebook. See, first look at this first picture. What is she writing? Yes, she might be writing her homework. Yes or no? If I give you any homework to write, you write it in your text in your notebook, right? In the same way, her teacher might have given her homework, so she is writing homework in her book. Yes. What was Ammu writing in a notebook? Yes, Ammu was writing homework in her notebook. Why she is writing? Why you write homework in your notebook? Because your teacher says to write it, right? Yes. At the same way, Ammu's teacher told her to write homework, so she was writing homework in her notebook. Yes, next. What idea did Ammu get while talking with Bittu? Here, she's talking to Bittu, her friend, right? What idea did she get? Yes, what topic did Ammu's teacher gave her to write about tree? Yes or no? So, what did Ammu ask Bittu? Yes, Ammu asked that. Ammu told Bittu to write about what is a tree. Then, what did Bittu answer? Bittu answered, for me, a tree is a friend. What Bittu answered? Bittu answered that tree is a friend. So, Ammu got an idea that, yes, let's go and ask some others about tree. Yes or no? Yes, see here, this is good idea. Let's go and ask others. What Ammu got? Yes, she got an idea to ask about tree to others. Yes. Next, when Ammu asked what a tree is, different people gave different answers. What are they? Here you see. When Ammu asked few people about what is a tree, different people gave different answers, right? Yes. What did the farmer answer? Yes, farmer told tree is his plow. Yes or no? Plow. Then fisherman, boat. Yes or no? Yes. Then homemaker, firewood. Firewood means, what is firewood? We have glossary, we have meaning. Wood used to make fire. Then traveler. Traveler, what did he say? Yes, it is a shade. Children, what did they say? Yes, see here. Children, what did they say? Place to play, and they are playing under it, right? Yes, what they told? They told it is a place to play. Next, parrot. Place to live and food to eat. Yes or no? It is a place to live. Yes or no? And it is also a place to food to eat. We already finished this, okay? Now last one. What is your answer to the question? What is a tree? Now tell me, what is your answer? What is a tree to you? What is the use? What is the use of it to you? Yes, it is a place to play also. You play under the tree. Yes or no? Then, yes, if we get mangoes from the tree, if we have mango tree, we get mango. So it is a fruit. It gives us food. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, now I'll give these question answers in your homework, okay? Yes, next. Now come to the page number 42. 4 to 42. 4 to 42. Open the page number 42. Come on, open it quickly. Yes, here what can we see? What is the lesson name? Yes, The Lion King. The lesson name is The Lion King. Here we have a picture, and also here we have another picture. Okay? Yes, see here. Yes, you can see so many animals, different animals living together and happily, right? Yes, and there were greenery. There is greenery, right? Yes, lion, monkey, everything, crow, elephant, rabbit, every animal lived together and they seem very happily. Yes or no? Yes. Now here there is no greenery. Yes or no? Do you find any leaf on a tree? No, there is no greenery. The leaves are dried. The tree is dried. Then see, it is not healthy. The animals are not healthy. They are thinner. Yes or no? Here you can see the animals are strong and looking good, healthy, right? Here there is no greenery and the animals are weaker. Yes or no? Yes. Now see, coming into the lesson. See, I'm reading the lesson. You see, what is the lesson name? Yes, the Lion King. Who is the king of the forest? Yes, the lion is the king of the forest. Yes, see here, I am the king of the forest. Here, who is the king of the forest? Lion. So who is telling us the story? I am in the sense lion. Lion is the king of the forest. So lion is telling us this story. See, I am the king of the forest. My kingdom had once been very beautiful. Okay, what lion is saying? I am the king of the forest. You know why lion is king of the forest? Because it is stronger, right? Yes or no? Yes, all animals obeys lion. So it is a king of the forest. And what it is saying? Yes, the kingdom of lion had once been very beautiful. Once upon a time, his kingdom was very beautiful, like this. It looks beautiful, no? Yes, like this. But what happened? See here. The jungle had been full of tall trees, taller than your tallest buildings. Jungle, what is jungle here? Jungle. Yes, it is forest. Okay. Yes, the jungle had been full of tall trees. Yes or no? What can we see in a forest? Yes, tall trees, right? Taller than your tallest buildings. What can you see in cities? We see tallest buildings. So what lion is saying? Once upon a time, in our forest, we had full of tall trees, taller than our buildings in the cities. Next, well, not only tall trees, there had been climbers, bushes, shrubs and grass too. What it is saying? Not only tall trees, in our forest there had been what? Climbers. Climbers, you know, trees. I mean plants which... Yes, so here climbers. What are climbers? Climbers are nothing but the plants which climbs up the trees and other tall objects. You know, climbers at a tegalu, you know, like example, grapevine, money plant, tegalu, so no, maletiga. Yes, they are called climbers. Okay. Then bushes, shrubs. Here bushes, shrubs comes under same thing. Yeah, they are small plants. So no, shrubs are little taller than bushes. Like example, rose, tulsi. Yes, and also grass too. Grass you already know, gaddi. Yes. Then the forest looked beautiful with water springs, pools, hills, valleys, and many wonderful scenery. What lion is saying? Who is saying this story to us? Yes, who? The king of the forest. Who is the king of the forest? Lion. Yes, lion is saying that. So here what it is telling, the forest looked beautiful with what? Water springs. What are water springs? Yes, it is water springs are some area at which water flows. They are called water springs. We already know, right? In forests we see so many lakes, rivers, pools. Pools are nothing but, you know, little amount of water stored, I mean small area. A small area of water, pools, swimming pool, you know already. In the same way, the small area of water is pools. Then hills, we already know hills, the naturally raised area of land. Means kondalu, you know kondalu. Yes, we see kondalu in forest, we see hills in forest, right? Yes, valleys we already know, a place where there is greenery everywhere and water and sufficient water, and also where there is a land to grow crops, and many wonderful sceneries, you know, background scenery. Did you hear about that? In photoshops also we get good scenery backside, like in green trees or something like that. Yes. Next, deers, tigers, elephants, bears, monkeys, crocodiles, wolves, peacocks, mynas, wolves, Pigeons and many more were among my people. You see here. Deers, deers. Jinka, deers. Tiger, tiger. Elephants, bears, teddy bears. Children, girls like teddy bears a lot, right? Yes, monkeys, crocodiles, wolves. Wolves are nothing but foxes. Fox, same like fox. Okay. Peacock, peacock dances when rains, right? Yes. Minus are yes, birds. Then owls, gudlagubalu, pigeons, pauralu, they all lived. They are among whose people? Lion, the king's people. Then we had enough food to eat and plenty of water to drink. What it is saying? We had enough food. We had enough food to eat. We have food to eat. We had water to drink. We were so happy. Then my birds sang the sweetest songs. Yes or no? Kokila, it sings, right? Coo, coo, right? What it is saying? What he is saying? My birds sang the sweetest songs. My animals ran the longest races. They used to play. The animals used to play. They used to ran races. Then our children, the cubs, lambs, and chicks moved about freely without fear. What it is saying? Our children. Yeah. Whose children are cubs? Yes, lions' children are cubs. Lambs, sheep. Sheep's children, sheep babies are lambs, are called lambs, right? Chicks. We already know. Hens' children are chicks. Moved about freely without any fear. What he is saying? We don't had any fear, and we moved about freely in the forest. We all lived happily in the forest, our home. What he is saying? We all lived very happily in the forest, our home. Which is their home? Yes, forest is their home, right? Yes, all animals live in forest, so it is their home. Yes. Next, the hill tribes also lived with us. They were happy with what the forest gave them. Here who are hill tribes? Yes, the people who live in forest areas, right? Tribes, the people who live in forest areas. Forest lo koyalu untaru, koyadaralu, and we heard in films, right? Forest lo untaru. Yes, they eat the food which they gets from the forest itself. Which they get from the forest itself, right? They were also lived with these animals, and they were very happy. Why they are happy? Because what forest gave them. Yes, they were happy with what forest gave them. Then they worshipped forest as god. We worship gods, right? Here Shankarudu, like Shankar, Shiva, so no, Shivudu, then Venkateshwaru. We all worship gods, right? Hindus worship Shankarudu and all, and then Christians Jesus, Muslims Allah. In the same way, the tribes worshipped forest as their god, because without forest they are not getting anything to eat and live, right? So they worshipped forest as their god. Then they enjoyed the touch of the earth. They enjoyed the touch of the earth, the smell of the air, and the taste of the freshness. Yes or no? There is no pollution there. There is no nothing. There is no smoke. Everything. The air was very fresh, because there is greenery everywhere, and the fresh air they get. Yes or no? The taste of freshness. See. Yes. Then we get a nice smell when it rains. Yes or no? Yes. Then, and above all, they loved the forest and respected our freedom. What he's saying? They all loved the forest and they respected whose freedom? There's this animal's freedom. Yes. Next, what happened? You see. But now everything has changed. What lion is saying? Before we were very happy. There were climbers, bushes, shrubs everywhere in the forest. Forest was, it looked beautiful with the hills, valleys, so no, water springs, everything. And all the animals lived very happily, and they had food to eat, plenty of water to drink. Yes or no? But now, and there were hill tribes also lived with them, and they were very happy with what forest giving. But now everything has changed. What it is saying? Everything has changed. You, the civilized, enter my kingdom. What it is saying? You, the civilized, entered my kingdom. Yes, see here. You, the civilized, entered my kingdom. Who? You means we. The civilized. What is civilized? Refined. Refined means developed and improved. Means civilized means we. Why? Because we have everything now, right? Our living style is different, our culture is different, yes or no? We have buildings, factories, everything. So we are developed and we are improved now. See, we are using online classes also, so the technology has been developed, so we are civilized. Okay, you, the civilized, entered my kingdom. What it is saying? You people entered my kingdom. I was happy to have visitors, as I was proud of my kingdom. What is saying? Now see, if anyone comes to our house, what we call them? We relatives or visitors, right? Yes, if you go near doctor, visitors, we call, how they call us? Visitors, yes or no? So what it is saying, what lion is saying, I was so happy that to have some visitors, as it was proud of her, proud of its kingdom. Then, but I was wrong, I thought you were a you are good people, but you are not. I'm wrong. You are greedy and unkind. What it is saying? You people are greedy and unkind. It is so sad, and it is saying that you people are greedy and unkind. Greedy, you know what is greedy? Yes, greedy means selfishness. మొత్తం నాకే కావాలా, ఉన్నది కూడా ఇంకెక్కువ కావాలా. దట్ ఫీలింగ్ ఈజ్ గ్రీడీ, అంటే అత్యాశ. Okay, yes. And unkind, what is unkind? You're not kind to others. It means you're harsh to others. You're not helping any others. If someone doesn't help any other, he is unkind and kruramaina. What lion is telling us? You are greedy and unkind. You're selfish. You don't help others. You need more and more. If you need more and more from them, that forest and all. See, you cut trees for your selfish wants, yes or no? Yes, here, you should not cut trees. Why? If we cut trees, we don't get rains, yes or no? Deforestation, we should not do it, we should not cut. But we people, we are so selfish, and we cut trees. Yes, we cut trees and we make it firewood. We use it for firewood, yes or no? Yes, but it is we are using it, but it is wrong thing, right? While if we cut the trees, we don't have, we want our wants itself. We are selfish. What line is telling? You are selfish. You want your needs, but you don't think about ours, yes or no? If we cut all the trees, if there is no forest, if there is no forest, what happens? Where the animals live? Yes or no? Yes, it is a very sad thing to there, but for our living, we are cutting trees and we are doing whatever we want. Yes, then you hunt animals for flesh, skin, tusks and claws. Yes or no? Hunting is illegal. We should not hunt the animals. What he is saying? You hunt animals for flesh. Yes or no? We kill animals, and to eat we kill animals. Now mutton and chicken, how we are getting mutton and chicken? By killing, yes, hen and goat, right? Yes, we hunt animals to for flesh. Yo, it is so sad, right? Yes. And also we hunt animals for the skin, Yes, by hunting the animals, we take skin and leather boots, leather shoes. In the same way, we make their animal skins are also useful in many ways. Okay. Pulicharmam. Do you hear this? Did you hear this word pulicharmam in any films? Yes. పులిచర్మంతో తయారు చేసిన సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఎస్ the skins of animals are also useful in many ways. So we hunt animals and take their skin for our selfish wants. Then tusks and claws. Yes, tusks and claws. What are tusks? Tusks means teeth of the animals. అంటే పెద్ద దంతాలు, ఏనుగు దంతాలు. Yes, they are called as tusks. ఏనుగు దంతాలు తీసుకొని అమ్మేస్తారనమాట. Yes or no? We sell that. We in the sense people, not we, but selfish people. Few people hunt animals and they take their flesh, skin, tusks and claws also. Claws, you know, panja, puli panja అని అంటారు. Yes or no? It has strong nails, no? They cut that claws and also they sell to others. So what lion is saying, is it happy or sad? Yes, it is very sad, and it is saying that you are greedy and unkind people. You cut trees for your selfish wants, and you hunt animals for what? Flesh, skin, tusks and claws, and you sell others. You sell those things to others. See, many of my people died. So no, if we hunt animals, what happens? They die, right? They die, right? Yes. See what he it is very sad, and it is saying that my people died, our number decreased. What happens if there are 100 animals in a forest? If five are if half of the animals are died, what happens? The number decreases. Yes or no? It comes to 50. Half of the 100, 50. It means the number of their people decreases. Then most of the trees were cut and the forest became bare. What it is saying? Yo papam kada. Yes, what it is saying? Most of the trees are cut. Trees were cut and the forest became bare. Bare means nothing left, like desert. No trees, nothing, and it became bare. Next you see, hunters and smugglers attacked my kingdom again and again. Oh, what it is saying? Hunters, you know, hunters who hunt the animals. Yes or no? People who take guns and go for a forest to hunt the animals and bring this skin, everything, the skin, tusks, claws and all for that. Okay, to gain money. Yes, see, and smugglers also the people who sell the skin of animals and everything to some others. They attacked my kingdom. They attacked to whose kingdom? Lion's kingdom, means forest, again and again. They either killed or captured my animals and birds. What it is saying? They killed or captured. You know what is killed? You know. Yes, killing, you know, champedam. They who killed their birds and animals? Hunters and smugglers. Hunters and smugglers attacked my kingdom and they killed my who? They either killed my animals or birds or captured in the sense to make to keep them in cages. You know, you already know, right? Cages. Now now in jail, where does they keep the thieves? In jail, no? In prison. In the same way, here captured in the sense they take the animals and birds as a prisoners in a cage. Did you get an idea? Yes. Then you robbed our resources. You are merciless. What it is saying? You robbed in the sense, you know what is robbed? దొంగతనం చేసినాం అనమాట, రాబింగ్. ఓకే, మీరు మొత్తం అన్ని చెట్లని పుట్లని అన్నిటిని తీసేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయిండ్రు. It is very sad, and it is saying this everything to the people, civilized one. Okay, yes, next. Yes, robbed our resources. Resources means something that is ready to use if we want it. Means some food or whatever it may be. It is ready, no, in forests, but you robbed everything. You robbed our resources. You are merciless. You are merciless. Merciless in the sense? Merciless అంటే మీకు దయా, జాలి, కరుణ ఇవేవి లేవు. You are merciless. You don't have you are not kind people. You are unkind. Yes, you destroyed the forest in spite of its benefits. We have so many benefits, no? From benefits means? Benefit means advantage. Okay, advantage. We get advantage, no? Yes. From forests we get so many things, right? Yes, you are getting so many things, but also you destroyed the forest. In spite of getting everything, you destroyed the forest. Even now I am the king, but what has become to my kingdom and my subjects? Why this sorry state of affairs? Aren't you responsible for that? Aren't you? So now the lion is very sad, and it is asking us that what has become to my kingdom and my subjects? What is happening to my kingdom and my subject? In a sense here, people means animals and birds, everything. What you have done to them? I am the king, but what you have done to my kingdom? And why you are sorry now? Aren't you responsible for that? Yes or no? We are responsible for that, right? We destroyed the animals, we destroy the animals, we hunt the animals, we smuggle them, everything. We are destroying the forest. So here the lion is so sad, and it is asking us, it is asking people that you are responsible for everything. The destroying the deforestation and everything is done by only you, so you are responsible for this. Okay, so by this what we got, we should not cut trees. Okay, we have to plant more trees. Okay, and we have to keep our surroundings greenery. Okay, green, we have to keep our surroundings green. Okay, we should not harm any animal. Okay, yes, forest are our resources. Okay, we get everything from forest. So we have finished this lesson. In next class we'll go for the other bits of it.